For the question is wavelength of first line of the Lyman series of hydrogen atom is equal to that of the second line of the Balmer series of the hydrogen like ion. The atomic number Z of the hydrogen like ion is how much? So this question is neat and CBSE question. 3, 4, 1 and 2 is given. So that means option D is correct. So because we know that first line of the Lyman series of hydrogen atom, okay, the first line. So that means here N1 is equal to Lyman series. So we know that Lyman, then Balmer, first chain, bracket and font series. Here Lyman series is 1. So first line means N1 is 1 and say for N2. Okay. So here atomic number is Z for hydrogen atom, atomic number Z. So we get 1 by lambda L R here Z square. But I am taking Z square, Z is 1, so only R. Okay, Z square is 1, so that means 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. So N1 is 1 and N2 is 2. Okay, and in case of we get solve this in this one, we get, so that is 4 minus 1 3 by 4, that means 3 by 4 R. Okay, so 3 by 4 R. But second line of the Balmer series of hydrogen atoms, so Balmer series, that means N is 2 is Balmer. But in case of first line is 3, second line is 4. Okay, here the second line means what? Second line means here N is equal to 4. First line in Balmer series, so starting N is 2, and for Balmer series, so N1 is 2. But the second line means so 4. Okay, the N2 is 4 here, not N2 is 3. N2 is first line is 3, second line is 4 for the Balmer series of hydrogen like ion. But we have to calculate the value of Z here. Hydrogen like, not hydrogen like ion. So 1 by lambda p means wavelength of Balmer series, R Rydberg constant, Z square is atomic number. We have to find only the value of R, not R. Sorry, only the value of Z. Okay, this one is we have to find it. So N1 is 2 because Balmer series, so first N1 is 2 and the second line means 4. So 1 4. So okay. So now in case of this one, we get 13 by 16 R. Okay, 13 by 16 R and Z square. So but according to the question here, the Lyman series of hydrogen atom is equal to that of the second line of the Balmer series. That is wavelength of the Lyman series wavelength must be equal to Balmer series. So according to the question, lambda L equal to lambda B. So is equal to the lambda L, how much? Value of lambda L is equal to 3 by 4 R. Here 3 by 4 R equal to symbol here. Next 3 by 16 R Z square. So 3R will cancel. Now got 4 only. So 1. So 1 equal to 1 by 4 Z square. So now multiply it. So Z square is 4. Z is equal to 2. Okay. That means your option number D is correct. Okay. Option number D is correct. Okay. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your watching.